Hello, Chef here. So I'm making a beef stew and I thought I'd share this with you. This is a beef round roast. Sometimes it's called the eye, and it's a couple of nice chunks. This was approximately $4 a pound. It's USDA grade A choice, really nice. I selected this particular package because the pieces looked really, really good. Minimal fat, that's good too. Don't want a lot of fat in my stew. All right, so real quickly I'm going to start with cutting this into some cubes, and I'm using a scimitar. All right, here we go. A little bit of extra fat. I'm going to remove some of this fat. Okay. All right, so this is going to get cubed. Start with some slices like this. Okay. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, the beef's been cut into some large cubes. It's looking really, really good. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch part 2. When this beef becomes a beautiful beef stew. There's a lot of ingredients. It's going to take a lot of steps and a lot of time cooking. So that's why we decided to break this down into a couple of videos. If you need to get any of the products like the scimitar butcher knife or the butcher blocks, hit up your sponsor right there. They got the knives on sale. They got the blocks on sale. Keep cooking and have a great day.